Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Fiat. Today we're going to be making devil's food cake cupcakes with a dark chocolate ganache buttercream. So it's fabulous. Let's get to it. Okay, so in a big bowl, you can either do this in a bowl or in the mixer. I have 230 grams of all-purpose flour that we're just sifting. We're adding in 2.5 grams of baking soda and 2.5 grams of baking powder. Okay, so we have set aside, we have 1 cup of coffee and 50 grams of sifted cocoa powder. I put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds to bring it back together with the heat. We're adding in 111 grams of brown sugar. Into our coffee mixture, I am pouring in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Okay, so I am putting in 1 stick of butter. It's 113 grams of soft, unsalted butter. And we're pouring in 2 eggs and our cocoa mixture. So we recently did a devil's food cake, devil's raspberry food cake. I'm just using the same base as the cake for this. Tasty. Okay, so I'm just taking a scoop and I'm pouring it in my cupcake tins. In each tin, I put a cute little Hershey's Kiss as a little surprise. Okay, so our oven's at 350. We're just gonna add in our cupcakes. Okay, let's check out the cupcakes. Ooh, they look sexy. You see those? Yeah, they're pretty clean. I think you can pull them out. Okay guys, so here's our cupcakes. Let's make a chocolate ganache buttercream. Okay, so in a small pot, I have half a cup of cold 35% cream. I brought it up to a scald. In a bowl, I have chopped up 113 grams of dark chocolate. I'm just pouring it over, and we're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. Okay, in our mixer, I'm putting in 340 grams of soft but cold butter. I'm putting in a 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm adding in 85 grams of cocoa powder, sifted, and 250 grams of icing sugar, sifted. Okay, let's turn her on low, just till it's combined, okay? I recommend that you cut the butter up. Okay, now that it's incorporated, I'm just going to turn it up to medium speed until it's well blended. If you're worried about how thick it is, it's going to get a lot thinner with our ganache. Okay, that's looking nice. With the ganache. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to take a whisk and I start in the middle, and then you just work your way out. You can see the color change. Okay, we're looking for 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll be thick but pourable. Okay, so we're at 75. Now it's time to pour it in We're gonna pour it at medium low until it's lightened. We're gonna scrape as needed, okay? Look how nice it's looking. Lightening. Power of the ganache. Not done yet. Let's get all the good stuff from here. Don't waste the ganache. Oh, come on, ya. Looking really good. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? Okay, lovely. Okay, in my piping bag, I have a 11mm French star tip. Do you have any questions for me or about me? Now let me know in the comments below. I will happily answer most things. Okay, so I let my cupcakes cool fully. Aren't they just beautiful? It's good to know our cake recipe makes 12 exactly. So you can see right there is the Hershey's Kiss, so that's exciting. I hope that my niece loves these. I'm just going to pipe from the middle, a rosette like that. So to end it, you just kind of swoop off. Another thing you could do is just pipe from the middle. So I just kind of move it and then pipe up. You just kind of whoop. Water. Let's just have some fun with it. Let's play around, okay? I don't know what it's trying to be, but I kind of like it. I think you should just have fun with these. I don't know, it kind of looks like a face, no? Okay, I'm gonna put these in the fridge for a real quick second. Okay, so I let them stay in the fridge for maybe 10 minutes. I made a little sprinkle mix. Okay. Now to get these the sprinkles to stay on before I box them up, I'm just gonna put them back in the fridge for maybe 20-30 minutes. So I'll see you soon. My goodness, that was delicious. Okay, so why don't you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, hit that bell, and hit me up for that next video. Baking Fiat out.